You're welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to simply show you how to switch your Pi wallet account from your Mainnet to your Testnet in order for you to access the Testnet feature on your Pi wallet. So right here is my Pi browser. So you just need to go to your Pi browser like this. Let me simply go to my Pi browser. So this is what you simply need to do first. Looking here, you can see where it says wallet. So if you click on wallet like this, you need to go ahead and unlock your wallet by using your passface or your fingerprint. So once you do this, this is my Mainnet. I haven't completed my KYC yet on this account. So looking right here, you can see where it says Pi Mainnet at the top of the screen. If you click on that like this, you're going to see two options, Mainnet and Testnet. So if you click on Testnet like this, Pi Testnet, you're going to be able to switch it to Pi Testnet. Now mind you, this is not real Pi. So if you want to know how to use this, I've actually made a video that explains how the Pi Testnet actually works. Just go ahead and watch that video. I'm going to leave it on this video description. Alright, if you've come to the very end of this video, hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.